So first question, discuss as to how frontogenesis contribute to weather instability. So mainly how to its frontogenesis contribute to weather instability. So frontogenesis mainly important factors you can tell, and some of the important problems started by the frontogenesis, and it's how to its effect of the weather instability and how to its contribute to affect to disturb our weather instability by the frontogenesis. The frontogenesis is the genesis of fronts at near 60th parallel and is related to the convergence of cold air mass and polar air mass. Cold polar air mass and warm tropical air mass, please remember. So it is mainly where it is formed in the 16th parallel and is related to the convergence of cold and warm polar air mass, cold polar air mass and tropical air mass, warm tropical air mass under the effect of polar winds and westerlies. As the air masses converge, warm air starts rising. As the warm masses converge, and warm air started rising, leading to conditional instability. So mainly you can see in 60 degree to 70 degree, this region is called frontogenesis. So conditional instability happened here. Air masses coverage, warm air start rising and leading to conditional instability. And weather effectivity is related to four fronts. Here we see four fronts. Four front we see here. So first of all, stable front, warm front, and other two front is in occluded front and cold front. So stable front first we discuss. So mainly weather effectivity is related to four fronts. Stable front, weather conditions are largely transitional type, and that denotes the beginning of turbulent circulation. Because here beginning of the turbulent circulation happened, because stable front mainly first of all, because weather condition is largely transitional types. So slowly it's changed, and after it's mainly turbulent starts, and it is mainly called as beginning of turbulent circulation. So wind circulation mainly start here, so slowly but not speedily. So warm front, second is warm front. Warm front mainly conditions are typically to colder latitudes, and periodic rains are experienced. Periodic rains are now experienced. This is related to gradual rising of warm air, mainly gradual rising of the warm air to multi-altitudinal cloud formation, influencing larger area for longer time. So it is mainly warm front, mainly conditions are typically to colder latitudes. Periodic rains here occurred, and this is related to the gradual rising of the warm air, rising of the warm air mainly, please remember, and leading to the multi-latitudinal cloud formation and for influencing larger area for longer time. So here you see in warm front, so rain zone and the front area, warm air rising. So it is mainly warm front, and cloud here seen, you can see cloud formation influencing the large area longer time, because high pressure and low pressure area here mean the important things, because high pressure to low pressure area wind blowing, and that's why the cloud formed and other something, and rainfall, all events we know that rainfall cycle, and that's why precipitation cycle here is seen. So that's why it is related to it, and it is warm front. So mainly you can see this is related to gradual rising of the warm air and leading to the multi-latitudinal cloud formation, influencing larger area for longer time. Mainly cloud formed here and rainfall formed sometimes, and it is mainly cold front, rain zone. You see. Now we discuss the cold front. The cold front weather condition are concentrated winter precipitation here. This time we see in cold front times. It is due to the sudden rise of the warm air mass. It is related to the vertical cloud formation and single episode of precipitation, mainly vertical cloud formation and suddenly rainfall, suddenly winter rain precipitation is seen. And So that's why it is cold front. We discuss it. The diagram please in cold front, vertical cloud here and rain zone here. You see. So weather conditions are concentrated and with winter precipitation is in this time. So last is occluded front. Weather conditions are uniformly distributed. Weather condition mainly or uniformly distributed and continuous light rains from the basic characteristics. So light rains is in continuously, slowly, and mainly it is mainly not huge amount of rain. It is mainly a light rain. It's just and weather condition uniformly distributed this time in the occluded front situation. So that's why I discuss its frontogenesis. So thank you.